Hello and welcome back to Twisty Cuisine. Today we're bringing you another famous Pakistani dish, Dhaka Chicken or sesame fried chicken. Let's get started. We will need 2 pounds of boneless chicken, which will serve 7 to 8 people. 1/4 cup vinegar, half tablespoon chili powder, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste. Mix it for 4 to 5 minutes. Cover the marinated chicken and leave it for at least 5 to 6 hours overnight to be ideal. Now we will make batter for frying. 1 cup gram flour or besan, half tablespoon chili powder, 1 teaspoon salt, half teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste, half cup sesame seed, 1 cup of water, and mix it into batter. If more water is required for the batter, put it. Put a pinch of baking soda and little more water. The batter should become like this. Now heat up oil for deep frying and dip the marinated chicken in the batter and start frying on medium flame. The Dhaka chicken is now ready. It is a great combination with tea or dinner. Give it a try and comment in the comment section below. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel to receive new recipes every other day. Thank you.